dusts of 5W on the beach. The sides need to be secured with wind ropes. Even with the extended canopy, it's still really stable. Tent production workshop, mass-produced by a big factory, fast delivery. Accept ODM and OEM orders. You can trust the quality of products from big companies. Every stitch is done in one go. Waterproof adhesive for exterior accounts. Waterproof test for over 10 hours. Test the water pressure. Finished product. Load into container and ship out.